Hello everybody, welcome to Chefing with Chefry today. So I'm going to try something a little bit different here. I am the only one here, so I'm the only one, wow. Hello everybody, welcome back to Chefing with Chefry. So today we're doing something a little different. I'm home alone, no whoa you guys to record. So I'm gonna do my best and we'll see where this takes us. I think it's gonna be pretty good. I'm also trying out my new mic here, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, so today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna make a quick, hopefully a quick video of me making some homemade sloppy joes. I was thinking about doing like a hamburger or something, but everybody's been doing hamburger videos lately and I'm not into that really. Well, I like hamburgers and all, but I just don't want to be like everybody else, so I'm gonna do some sloppy joes. I hope you like them. I don't think Jennifer and Jeremy do, so that's why, since I'm alone, I don't have to cook for them, so I'll cook for myself. I'm also gonna go grab myself a beer, because why not? I'm all alone, might as well enjoy it. All right, so like I said, hopefully this is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna kind of speed it up so you don't have to watch me chop up onions and peppers again, like you always do in every video. This is just gonna be a quick, easy dinner for you to hopefully replicate. All right, so what I'm working with today is I got some ground beef. I have a red pepper, an onion, and some garlic cloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping those up, and I'm gonna speed it up so you don't have to watch me do it like you do every time. So this will cut some time out of the video and hopefully make it quicker, you know? Yeah. Small dice, small dice. There we go, that should be better. They don't have to be perfect. It's totally okay. Wrong way. And there you have it. Everything's already all cut up for you. All right, now I'm gonna turn the stove on, get the cast iron nice and greased up, ready to roll. First thing I'm gonna throw in is gonna be the onion, or the peppers first, that way they can start to soften up pretty good. And then I'm gonna throw in the onions, get them kind of going real good as well. And the garlic, because garlic likes to burn super quick. And then I'm gonna throw in my ground beef, and then I'm gonna start adding in these seasonings like Worcestershire sauce. Ketchup is very important. Also, a good thickening agent for this is tomato paste. Then I got onion powder, garlic salt, onion salt, seasoned salt. And then I'm also gonna probably throw in a little bit of, if I can find it. Crushed red pepper, where are you? Crushed red pepper, where are you? All right, now y'all get to hear me sing because I don't have to be embarrassed in front of anybody. I'll just be embarrassed later on when I'm watching it, but that's fine. Yes, it is. Oh, I also have a little bit of brown sugar here. It's kind of hiding underneath. It's gonna be dark brown sugar. Ooh, that reflection's intense. Sorry. All right, the pan's starting to go. I can hear the ship starting to sink, AKA the coils are heating up on the stove. Shortly, I'll show you our new mascot. Since it is August, there is no more Tiger, which means there's no more John Meng. We got to figure out a name for this mascot, and I have no idea what to name it, but that's what you're here for. You can help me name it in the comments. Please don't feel shy. Comment, people. I love to hear feedback. Makes all the difference sometimes. If I don't know what you want to see because you're not telling me, then how am I supposed to know? Okay, so I've got 8550. Oh, wow, I'm jumping ahead. I'll go ahead and throw my peppers in. You can hear the sizzle there. This will be the real test of my mic set here. Hopefully it works good. I'm gonna kind of stand away from the pan so you can really see into it here. Get those going. I'm gonna add a little bit more of my vegetable oil to it, just a little bit, probably a couple teaspoons there. I'm gonna come around here. I'm gonna grab my can opener because I totally forgot to grab it earlier. So I can open my tomato paste, and I need a spoon. I'm very unprepared. I apologize, you guys. That's what makes this fun, right? Yeah. Can really start smelling them peppers start to cook. Smell good. Got the tomato paste open here. Hopefully I don't set off the detectors. I gotta go on full blast, guys, I'm sorry. Sucks. I'm gonna go medium until I have to. Keep them moving. You can see they're starting to turn translucent and lose their reddish color. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some onions. I'm not gonna do all of that. That's a lot of onions. Ooh, whoa, I almost did most of it. But add those onions in. Gonna add some salt and pepper to it. Don't be shy about the pepper. I love pepper. I don't know if you can tell or not. Okay, I'm gonna speed this part up for you. That's our little secret. Just a little splash of beer to hopefully bring it alive a little bit more, you know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna add in my garlic now. And I could add a little chipotle. Oh gosh, reflection. Maybe I should, no, I'm not gonna turn that down any. I like the lighting, sorry. Hopefully it's not too bright when I go to edit it and be like, Jeff, why'd you leave it so bright? Yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen, but you know, probably could. I'm just gonna go ahead and add chipotle because I can't find the one I want. All right, the heat's coming back up, starting to cook some more. I'm gonna fast forward for you. You can really smell it starting to cook now. All right, I'm gonna add my beef. I'm not gonna drain the fat off of this. Really hope there's no feedback coming from this mic pack. That would make me sad. I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning up a bit. I'm gonna put in some seasoned salt. Do a couple teaspoons of that. Got some garlic salt here. Yeah, I put regular fresh garlic in it, but I'm also gonna put in this garlic salt. A couple teaspoons there, same with the garlic powder and onion powder. A couple teaspoons, onion salt. Oh, it clumped a little. Probably because I'm dumping it over top of cooking product. The steam gets in there, makes it wet. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this, ooh, that's a lot. A little bit of this chipotle, probably half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. I want that smokiness in there and a little bit of heat, but I don't want it to overpower it completely. And give it a good mix. All right, now I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2. That's probably a tablespoon or 2. Another 1 or 2. I'm gonna probably say that's probably about 3 actually. And then you're gonna wanna add a lot of ketchup to this because the ketchup's gonna be what makes it really saucy. You can use tomato sauce if you want, but the ketchup gives it good flavor. You want about 8 ounces, or I'm gonna do 6 ounces. So here we go. This is a 14-ounce bottle, so I'm gonna use right around half of the bottle, which I think I'm there. Give it a mix. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. Let this flavor cook. I've also seen in another recipe that people added a squirt of mustard. I am going to use a little bit of, where is it? Here we go. I'm gonna use some spicy brown mustard. I'm gonna do a little squirt of that. Teaspoon or 2 there. Mix that in. Now you can see it's really starting to take on that sloppy Joe look, is what we're going for. You want it to cook out some of the tomato pastiness. Oh, it smells good. You can really see it starting to come together the way it should. Smelling it now. Kind of smells sloppy Joey, but not exactly where I think I want it to be. Give it a little try just to see where I'm getting. Needs more Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce is pretty much one of the key ingredients in this that really gives it the flavor that it needs. I'm gonna do 2 more teaspoons. 1, 2. Give it a good mix. Looking nice and sloppy here. Give it another try. Coming together pretty good. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of dark brown sugar just to give it some sweetness and some depth. Mix that all in. Remember, let it cook down some more before you really go at seasoning it again, just to be sure it's done. You can see the color is really starting to change now, starting to get more of a brownish color instead of being completely red. This is where you want it to be. 1 more teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add a little bit more salt and pepper. Mix it up again. Did you grow up eating sloppy joes? Main part of my life growing up, whenever we did have sloppy joes, it came out of a can. I'm not gonna say the brand name, But then eventually my dad started to make it homemade, and that's kind of where why I'm craving it today. I know this is crazy. I'm gonna add another teaspoon. It's really, really close. Oops, wow, graceful, like a gazelle. Scrape all the good bits off of the bottom. One more try. Yes, sir, we are there. Now it's really binding up. Gonna have leftovers of this one. Happy with that. Now I'm gonna start plating it for you. Oh man, these buns aren't pre-sliced. What kind of mess is that? So I just got me some onion buns here. You can toast it, or if you like a soggy, messy sandwich like the Sloppy Joe's supposed to be, then don't toast it. I've also seen people put cheese on these. I've never put cheese or pickles on mine, but I heard it's really good. And then as a side, Jennifer and Jeremy were lovely enough to make me some Old Bay potatoes last night. They are cold right now, but they're still delicious. I'm gonna put them on the pan, or the plate, whatever the hell it's called, just for the presentation, to give my plate some more pop. Turn that off, and now we're gonna take pictures. I gotta do what Jennifer does. Let me take this out of the slot here. Get all of the good angles here. Let me turn this light up. That way you can really get a sense of how this looks. This is the mascot I was talking to you about. We gotta figure out a name for this one. It's a rhino. Submit your comments, please. All right, now it's trying time. Really hope y'all enjoy this format with just me, because it might be happening more often than it has been. Sure tastes like Sloppy Joe's, but it doesn't taste all processed and, you know, nothing against the canned product, but homemade is always better. I don't care what anybody tells you. So, thank you so much for watching. I'm taking another bite. I'm not gonna close it out yet. All right, let's try this again. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this was a good, quick, easy video for you to do for dinner when you're in a rush. Usually you have ground beef in the freezer, you can take it out. Well, technically you're supposed to thaw it out in the fridge, but I know how things can happen sometimes and you leave them out on the counter. It's not very safe, but gotta do what you gotta do. So, yes, thank you so much for watching. Find me on Instagram at chefin_with_chefry. Also use the hashtag chefin_with_chefry on Instagram whenever you're creating anything. It doesn't have to be anything I've made, just you cooking. It's really cool to see people cook. Also, find me on Facebook, Chefin_with_chefry. Also, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How many times am I gonna say it? My last video, the Mongolian barbecue-ish, has been a real hit. I'm at 198 views the last time I checked, so let's get it up past 200 and let's make it viral. Again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye-bye.